Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. So today we're making a Valentine's card with the stamp set from Avery Elle called Hogs and Kisses. It's super cute. I'm going to be doing a little bit of watercoloring on Canson's watercolor paper, and I will actually have all the supplies listed in the description box. So I'm going to make three distinct kind of backgrounds really quick, and when I'm adding the colors, I'm being really careful to kind of make up like little circular cloud patches. So this one is carved pumpkin, and then I came in also with seedless preserves, and then the next color I'm using is candied apple. When I was actually using candied apple, I realized it was super dark and it was overpowering the other colors. So I did come back in and add a little bit more water to water it down a little bit. And then I came back in with the other colors again and just double it up. And in between, I am actually drying everything so I can get a better picture of what everything looks like. And then after that, I grabbed the little animals and I stamped them with my stamp positioner. And then now I'm just adding the sentiments in. It does say, "Be my Valentine." And then I'm just going to do some quick Copic coloring. I didn't do too much shading. I really did more of the shading on the hearts because there's such a large area, but the little area is not too much. And one thing I had forgotten or I didn't realize that the camera wasn't shooting. For the pig, I had actually used a really bright pink color, and I actually came back in with a colorless blender. And the tips using colorless blender, once you're using it, you want to go ahead and zap it with a heat gun or just dry it completely, because what will happen is it will actually kind of, especially with Copic markers, if you've colored with Copic markers, it will kind of bleed into the other areas. And so then you might lose coloring on the other one. So once I used the colors blender, I went ahead and just zapped it dry completely. So then I fussy cut the animals out and then just ran a Sharpie through the edges to make it look like it's a clean cut. And now I'm just grabbing the front of the card and just using my corner rounder. And then I grabbed some baker's twine and just wrapped it around 3 times and made a bow. I just wanted to add a little bit of dimension and not make it such a flat card. So I was having a little bit of trouble tying the bow, but it's just a simple tie. And my actual string or my baker's twine was starting to kind of unravel, so I was trying to be really careful. Then I grabbed some foam squares and put it on the back of the animals. And then I'm just going to check the alignment, and then I'm going to go ahead and take the backings off the adhesives right here, as you see. And so then after that, basically, I'm going to grab some craft stock paper. It's a 65-pound craft stock paper from Michaels. It's kind of flimsy, but I just decided I wanted a little bit of that contrast. So I just grabbed some 3M foam tape, applied that, and lined it up, and that about finishes the card. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe. And I will definitely catch you on the next video. Thanks again. Bye.